Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. These cameras are both excellent choices for photography and videography enthusiasts. We'll be evaluating them based on several categories to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. When it comes to image quality, both cameras perform exceptionally well. The Canon EOS M200 features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering sharp and detailed photos. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C exmor CMOS sensor, paired with the fast Bions X processor. This combination ensures impressive image quality with excellent dynamic range and low noise levels. When it comes to autofocus capabilities, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M200 offers fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. Similarly, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features advanced autofocus technology, allowing you to capture sharp and focused shots effortlessly. If you're into videography, both cameras have impressive video capabilities. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie recording, allowing you to capture stunning moments in high resolution. Additionally, it offers vertical video shooting, perfect for social media content creators. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 takes it a step further with 4K movie oversampled from 6K, ensuring incredible detail and clarity in your videos. It also features a product showcase setting, which smoothly transitions focus from face to object, making it ideal for product reviews or tutorials. Now, let's talk about the prices. The Canon EOS M200 is priced at $649, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at $798. Both cameras offer exceptional value for their respective prices, considering the features they bring to the table. And that concludes our comparison of the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Both cameras have their strengths and are great options depending on your specific needs. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this content, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts and questions, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and comparisons in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.